Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool. This is a beginner's guide to generate the perfect AI art by using Midjourney. Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring the new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. Now, obviously, anyone that is interested in creating NFTs or any amazing design, this is a tool for them. It's an opportunity to create astonishing detail images using a powerful AI from a text-based description. Now, this particular tool connects your prompt to supercomputers running powerful GPUs. So it's not a program that runs on your computers. It's accessed through Discord, and as of July 13, 2022, it's an open beta, meaning anyone can join and use it completely free. But there are paid plans to make a lot of images and get commercial rights to use them. For broad game designers, this literally is a dream come true. Midjourney and other AI art services are about to change the way we make art for prototypes, card, and possibly publishing ready art as well, and even NFTs. Now, publishing ready art is likely to take some editing or manipulation in other photo editing softwares. So let's look at Midjourney AI art as one of the steps of creating art creations, and this is obviously one of the things that you will absolutely love. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. If you're enjoying this video, this is gonna take you to the next level. The first step that you need to do is to download the Discord program. Now, Discord is a free program to install on your computer, tablet, or even a smartphone. And once you've done this, you have to head over to the Midjourney Discord server. When you reach the Midjourney Discord server, select one of the newbies channeled from the sidebar. The second step is for you to use the imagine command. Now, to use the Midjourney bot, use the Discord / command in the bot channel and start typing imagine, and you'll notice something pop up above your text. Click or tap on the imagine option and the prompt field will be created. Now you can add whatever you want to the bot to generate, as you can see in the video. Now you can also try it to press the spacebar, tab, or enter to create the prompt field. Bot / commands will only work in bot channels. Once you're satisfied with the prompt that you just wrote, press enter or send your message. That will deliver your request to the Midjourney bot, which will soon start generating your image. The third step is to wait for the Midjourney bot processing your request. This request takes a minute to generate 4 options based on your prompt. Watch the process if you like, or grab a cup of coffee or something, and be aware that if you're still scrolled all the way down to the channel, Discord will automatically show you the newest post as they come in. The next step is to upscale your image or create variations. After a 2x2 grid of images has finished generating, 2 rows of buttons are going to appear. In the top row, you're going to have your U1, U2, U3, and U4. Or these buttons are for upscaling your chosen image. Upscaling an image generates a larger, roughly 1024 by 1024 pixel version of the selected image. By default, guys, this will also generate additional details. In the bottom row, you're going to have V1, V2, V3, and V4. These are the buttons for creating variations of your chosen image. Creating variations will generate 4 new images, similar in overall style and composition to the image that you've selected. After you use the U button to upscale, you'll have a few more options, like making variation that does the same as the V button, generating new alternatives, while the upscale to the Mac upscales the image to an even larger resolution of roughly 64 to 1664, and light upscale redo literally upscales, again starting over without adding as much details. After that, you can save your image. You can click on the image to open it to full size, and then right click and choose save image to save it to your local computer. If you're on your mobile, you can tap the image and then tap the download icon in the top right hand side corner. You can also upscale your image, and the 2x2 grid image will immediately be visible on your website's gallery at your midjourney.com/app, but you'll need to sign in with Discord first. After that, you can send your results to your DM. You can ask the Midjourney bot to send your Discord direct messaging containing your final results. To do that, you need to react to the envelope emoji to one of the bot's messages that contains a finished generation. This works with both single upscale images and 2x2 2 grids. The next thing that you can do is you can also become a paid subscriber if you want to generate even more images. Your 25 free jobs do not presently expire, but they will also not renew. So once you've used all of them, you can use the subscribe in the bot channel to purchase a membership. The basic membership actually starts with just $10, where you get 200 images per month. You can generate commercial terms and even access the member gallery. Or you can go for the standard membership for $30. You get unlimited personal use, generate commercial terms, and even get access to member gallery. They also have an enterprise plan, meaning for $600 per year, you get a single user unlimited plan. You get the enterprise commercial terms as well as the access to member gallery, and you get a private by default image generation. So if you have not already subscribed and gone and checked out Midjourney, click in the description below and go ahead and check it out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also find out how amazing Midjourney.ai is. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.